Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're diving into crypto in 2025, transferring USDT from Coinbase to KuCoin is a common move for trading or diversifying your portfolio. Today, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step, so you can do it safely and efficiently. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have accounts on both Coinbase and KuCoin. Log into your Coinbase account and head to the dashboard. Find your USDT wallet. It's usually under your assets list. Once you're there, select the option to withdraw USDT. This will open up a form where you'll need to enter the destination details. Next, switch over to KuCoin. Log in and go to your wallet section. Select USDT and choose the deposit option. KuCoin will generate a unique deposit address for you. Double check that it's for the correct network, like TRC20 or ERC20, depending on what Coinbase uses for USDT. Copy that address carefully. One wrong character could send your funds into the void. Back on Coinbase, paste the KuCoin address into the withdrawal form. Enter the amount of USDT you want to send, but remember to leave a little extra for network fees. These can vary based on blockchain congestion in 2025. Review everything: the address, the amount, and the network. Hit confirm, and you'll likely need to verify this with two-factor authentication for security. Once the transaction is initiated, keep an eye on it. It might take a few minutes to a few hours, depending on the network. Head back to KuCoin and check your wallet to confirm the deposit. If everything goes smoothly, your USDT should show up, and you're good to go. A quick word of caution: always use the correct network to avoid lost funds, and never share your private keys. Fees can add up, so plan accordingly. Thanks for watching. If this helped, hit that like button and subscribe for more crypto tips. See you in the next video.